The Mariana Trench located in the Pacific Ocean is the deepest location in the Earth. Records more than 11,034 meters. This part of Mariana Trench is called the Challenger Deep. The first person to reach this deep is in the year 1960 the French-built U.S. Navy operator, bathyscaphe Trieste, with Swiss ocean engineer, Jacques Piccard, and U.S. naval officer, Don Walsh aboard. They made a record of 35,814 feet, which is 10,916 meters in the Challenger Deep. The next expedition to the Challenger Deep is on 2012, by the Canadian filmmaker, James Cameron, and recorded a depth of 35,756 feet or 10,898 meters. It is a record depth for single man to travel this deep. Furthermore, investigations were carried out and creatures like deep-sea dragonfish, goblin shark, deep-sea hatchetfish, frilled shark, telescope octopus, zombie worms, and many others sea faunas were discovered. Xenophyophores, amphipods, and small sea cucumbers were seen at deep. It is only a small portion of Mariana Trench. The larger portion of Mariana Trench is still in the dark. No one knows what type of creature is living there. Many of them are unknown to humans. In the future there is more to discover. Who knows what it will be? Maybe there is a megalodon living in this huge Mariana Trench hiding from us, eating squids, turtles and whales. So what do you think about the Mariana Trench? Is there a monster hiding? Comment below.